Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing fabrics and a backing that match the wear and washing you expect. Lay your fabric flat, then place stabilizer underneath if you want a firmer patch. Once done, transfer your design using chalk or a light tracing method, keeping edges 1/2 inch extra for seam allowance. Make sure to cut accurately. Clean cuts reduce fraying. You'll also set up your iron and needle or sewing machine now so you can move straight into assembly without interruptions. Now you assemble the patch by layering fabric, backing, and stabilizer, pinning or basting to keep everything aligned. Start sewing with a tight stitch. Use satin or zigzag along the edge for durability and to lock the fabric. If hand sewing, use small, even stitches. Once sewn, trim the seam allowance carefully and clip curves so the patch lies smooth. Make sure to press the finished shape flat with an iron at a moderate temperature to set seams and reduce puckering before final attachment. You attach the patch according to backing. For iron-on, preheat, position, cover with cloth and press firmly for the recommended time. For sew-on, pin and stitch around the edge with reinforced backstitches. Once attached, wash test on low temperature to ensure adhesion. If the edge lifts, restitch or add a bit of fusible web for extra hold. If heat damaged the fabric, reduce iron time or use a protective cloth next time. This quick fix prevents future lifting or fray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.